So is this all about online?
Well, I mean, it has been all about online for the past couple of quarters, and Walmart had been doing, online sales growth of north of 50%. So when you come in with a number like today's 23%, people are going to say, well, what's up with that? It's lower than even Target's growth in the holiday period. And it's not all about online for Walmart, of course. Their in-store sales were very good, but there's so much focus online with the Amazon threat now that this number, on top of the fact that their profit margins also contracted, led to some bad news today.
So what can they do? What can
they can keep
CEO
investing?
do?
Yeah, I spoke with the CFO just a few minutes ago. He said they're going to continue to invest aggressively in the areas they have, and that's in lowering prices, new services for online customers, trying to make that shopping experience more frictionless, to make it easier, basically. So they're going to continue to do the things that have gotten them there, but we should not get, used to these 60% growth rates. They've guided for 40%. That's what we'll see this year.
Well, in fairness, they made a very big bet on Jet.com, right?
Yes.
And brought in their people. It was like an acqui-hire, some really
Exactly.
good people. Is there another Jet.com out there, or have they really done what they can do there?
Not as many. I mean, there's tons of speculation about what might happen with a company like Boxed, which is the Costco for millennials. But I think Walmart, made their big splashy deal with Jet, and it's still paying dividends. It's just not going to grow at the same rate that it had been.
What about internationally? There's talk about India, Flipkart.
There's talk about India, Flipkart. One big problem they're having internationally, though, is Brazil. Just this quarter, they announced today they're pulling out of their first-party e-commerce business in Brazil. I mean, that means stuff they sell themselves, not through third-party vendors. Brazil has been a huge question mark for them, a huge problem. So they're looking to areas like whereas India is a growth market where they want to invest in. Flipkart, the Amazon of India, seems a likely partner.
Does Walmart have an advantage most companies don't have in the Walton family? Because they've got big shareholders that seem to be pretty patient with their capital.
There's very few companies that can just, give Doug McMillon, the CEO, a blank check and say, catch up with Amazon, do what you have to do, spend what you have to spend. And on top of that, let's not forget, they've just raised their hourly wages to $11 an hour. They're trying to make their employees happier as well at the same time. So there's a lot going on there that's things that maybe Amazon doesn't have to worry about as much.